In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can search for real estate offices inside a model match. So if you're a loan officer, you're building relationships with agents, you're going to want to see the other agents that are at that office as well. How much volume do they do? What type of borrowers do they work with? And model match just makes that really, really easy. So we're going to start off by looking at offices that are around us, that are inside of our area. Now, inside a model match on the home screen, I'm just going to go ahead and click search in an area. You're going to see loan officers, agents, and you're going to see real estate offices. We're going to click real estate offices, and then we can look at offices that are in a city, that are a zip code, a county, or even a state. In this case, I'm going to click city, and we're going to type in Hickory, North Carolina, and I'm going to select that from the drop down. Now, what you're about to see is all of the offices that are inside of Hickory, North Carolina. We can see the office name, their total volume, how much they've done on the buy side, how much they've done on the seller side, what their team size is, and of course, who their top partner is. So we can actually see the originator that does the most volume with this team on the buy side of those transactions. That's just really nice to be able to surface that right there without having to drill in to each one of those profiles to see which originator are they working with the most. Now, we do have some filters over here on the left-hand side that we could apply if we wanted to narrow this down. So if we're doing a larger search, something like a state or multiple states, we might want to narrow that down a little bit more. And we can do that with filters like volume, units, team size. You can even do so with builders. So, are they working with builders or not, which is really nice to have that as an option as well. To open up a real estate office, all we have to do is just go ahead and click on that name. That's going to take us directly into their profile. And right there up at the top, we have their total agents, how much volume they've done, units, average sold price, average list price, and we can see the average volume per agent. Now, I'm going to show you what that looks like when we look at the roster, because it's really easy to be able to see how much of that volume is tied up in maybe a select few agents that are at this location, which is really important. If we scroll down on the overview tab, we can see their buyer versus listing side. We can see their loan type breakdown on the buy side. So what type of borrowers do these agents work with? And we can break all of that down. And then down below, we can see their buyer side relationships and their seller side relationships. So again, what originators are they working with on the seller side? When they're on the buyer side, what originators are they working with? We can see volume, units, and we can, of course, see that total wallet share. Now, if I just scroll right back up here to the top, I'm going to click on agent roster. That's going to show me all of the agents that are at this location. So we can see right here, top 3 concentration, and we see a percentage. That's going to look at those top 3 agents at this location and tell you how much volume is tied up within those top 3 agents. And in this case, we can see about 25.5% of that total volume is with those top 3 agents. So when you're building a relationship with agents and you're looking at their other agents that are at that location, you can get a really good understanding of where that volume is. Where is that volume being recorded? We can actually see that just right there at the top of that agent roster. We can, of course, see again their total volume and average volume per agent. And then down below, we show you all the agents that are at that location. All we have to do to jump into one of these agents is just click on their name, and that takes us directly into their profile, and we can continue to dig from there. And we can look at their overview, their transactions, and then specifically the originators that this agent works with. Now, on the flip side of this, we don't have to go into an area and search for offices and then start that way. If we are searching in Model Match for a specific agent, we pull up that agent profile, you'll see underneath office location right there at the top, we can see the location, the office that agent is currently at. And if you click on that, you can see how that turns into a link. That'll take you guessed it, right into that office profile. So whether you're searching in an area or you're searching for a specific agent, it's really easy to go to that location, see the other agents that are there, how much volume is with those top 3, what originators does this team work with, lots of information that you can pull out of just seeing that. So super powerful. If you don't have access to Model Match today, you're watching this for the first time, you want to look at the agents that are in your area, the office locations. what agent teams are operating in my area, which agent teams are active in my area. If you're building a relationship with an agent and you want to see the other agents that they work with at their location, who are they working with? Model Match is the tool that you need. You can get it free for 14 days. Go to app.modelmatch.com. Click the link below in the description of this video. Super easy to get signed up. Super easy to get access to this information right now.